About this item: use built-in GPS to see your pace and distance on screen during outdoor runs, rides, hikes and more, and see a workout intensity map in the app that shows your heart rate changes along your route with active zone minutes. Feel a buzz when you reach your target heart rate zones during exercise, and celebrate when you earn extra minutes outside of exercise. Get a 90-day free trial of the Fitbit Premium to help you stay active, sleep well and manage stress. Unlock it all in the Fitbit app. The valid payment method required. Cancel before free trial ends to avoid subscription fees. Offer valid for new premium users only. Use 24/7 heart rate to track resting heart rate and better measure calorie burn. Syncing to mobile devices requires Bluetooth LE and internet connection. Syncs with Mac OS X 12.2 and up, iPhone 5s and later, iPad 5 General and later, Android 7.0 and later. Play your favorite songs and playlists with Spotify app controls on your wrist. Also make secure purchases with Fitbit Pay and get called, text and smartphone app notifications. Track workouts in real time with 20+ goal-based exercise modes. It's also swim-proof and water-resistant to 50 meters, so you can track swims, we're in the shower, and more. Multi-day battery lasts up to 7 days and up to 5 hours when using built-in GPS, varies with use and other factors. Track sleep stages and review your in-app sleep score for an easy way to see how well you slept. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: use built-in GPS to see your pace and distance on screen during outdoor runs, rides, hikes and more, and see a workout intensity map in the app that